Good evening students, welcome to our Adhyay Education Foundation Maharashtra. Today we are going to learn English subject homophones. Homophone are words that are pronounced the same but have different meanings and spellings. Some common examples includes two and two, as well as there and there. So meaning and different meaning and spellings, but the pronouns will be same, pronounced the same but have different meaning and spelling. Some common examples includes two, as well as there and there. Next, there, there. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-I-R, there. And T-H-E-Y-R-E, there. This there refers to a place. Example, I am going there. I am going there. There refers to a place. This there refers to a place. Example, I am going there. And this there shows possession. Example, their car is parked outside. Their car is parked outside. And this there is a contraction of there. Example, they are going to the park. They are going to the park. There and there. There is refers to a place and going to there. Next there is shown possessions. Their car is parked outside. And last there is attraction of their. Example on they are going to the park. Okay. Now next example, write. W-R-I-T, write means to produce words on a paper or a screen. Okay. W-R-I-T, write means to produce words on paper or a screen. Example, I need to write a letter. I need to write a letter, and this write means R-I-G-S-T means write means correct or proper. Correct or proper. Example, that's the right way to do it. Means correct or proper. That's the right way to do it. Yes. Right means R-I-G-S-T, right. Right means correct or proper. Okay. Next, means homophones are words that are pronounced the same. Pronunciations will be same but have different meaning and spellings. Next, C. S-E-E-C and S-E-A-C. S-E-E-C and S-E-A-C. C means pan. So C means pursue something with the eyes. Okay. C means S-E-E-C means to pursue something with the eyes. For example, I can see with the mountains. I can see the mountain. I can see with our eyes. I can see the mountains. And next, S-E-A-C, it means a large body of a salt water. Large body of a salt water. The sea is beautiful. The sea is beautiful. Now, both meanings are different. SEEC and SEA. SEEC means pursue something with the eyes. That is the example of I can see the mountains. And SEA is a large body of a salt water. Example for example, the sea is beautiful. Next, here and here. HEAR, here, and HERE, here. Here, HEAR, here means to pursue sound with the ears. The pursue sound with the ears. For example, I can hear the music. I can hear the music. Next, here refers to a plus near the speaker. Is here refers to a plus near the speaker. For example, come here, come here. Okay, and this here means to perceive sound with the ears. To perceive sound with the ears. Example, I can hear the music. I can hear the music, and this here refers to a place near the speaker. Refers to a place near the speaker. For example, come here. Come here. Okay. Now here and here. See and see. See and see. So, homophones are words, we remember. Homophones are words that are pronounced the same but have different meanings and spellings. But have different meanings and spellings. Okay? Next, flower and flower. Flower and flower. Flower is a part of a plant. Flower is a part of a plant. Example, the flower is beautiful. The flower is beautiful. Flour is and this flour is meaning of a fine powder used for baking. Means FLOWER, flour is a part of a plant. Pronunciation is same but meaning are different. So this flower is a part of a plant and the example of the flower is beautiful. And this flour, FLOUR, flour is a fine powder used for baking. For example, I need some flour to bake a cake. I need some flour to bake a cake. Okay. Next, these are just a few examples of the many homophones in the English language. Understanding homophones can help improve writing and communication skill. Homophones can help improve writing and communication skills. There are just a few examples of many homophones in the English language. Okay, now here are some of the most common homophones examples in English. So, air, air. Pronunciations same, but meaning are different. Pronunciation same आहे परंतु काय राहतं मीनिंग्स त्याचं डिफरंट राहतं आणि स्पेलिंग वेगळं राहतं. स्पेलिंग सुद्धा डिफरंट असतं. ओके, लक्षात ठेवायचं. एअर, हेअर, बेअर, बेअर, ब्रेक, BRAKE, ब्रेक, and BREAK, break, BRAKE, break, and BREAK, break. Sail, 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 sail. Deer, 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 deer. D-E-E-R, deer, and D-E-A-R, deer. Fair and fair. F-A-I-R, fair, and F-A-R-E, fair. Flower, flower. F-L-O-U-R, flower, and F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Meanings are different, but pronunciations will be same. Next, our, no, 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 no. Male, 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 male. Meat, 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 meat. Pear, P-A-I-R, pear, P-E-A-R, pear. Next, P-E-A-C, peace, and P-I-E-C, peace. Plain, plain, P-L-A-I-N, plain, and P-L-A-N-E, plain. Plain, plain. Principal, 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 and principal. Spellings are different, meaning are different, but pronunciation same. Next, R-I-G-H-T, right, and W-R-I-T, right. These rights means of correct or proper, and these rights meaning of writing a letter. Yes. Next, road, R-O-A-D, road, and R-O-D-E, road. Next, R-O-L-E, roll, R-O-L-L, roll. Sight, sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight, and S-I-T-E, sight. Meanings are different, but pronunciations are same. Sun, sun, S-O-N, sun, and S-U-N, sun. This sun means Surya. Yes? Sun. Next, L, allowed, allowed, allowed. X, X, already, already. A-L-L-R-E-A-D-Y, already, and A-L-R-E-A-D-Y, already. Meanings are different, spellings are different, but pronunciations are same. Next, arms, arms. Accent, accent. Next, add, add. A-D, A-D-D. Add, add. Able, A-B-E-L, able, and A-B-L-E, able. Meanings are different, spellings are different, but pronunciations same. Next, affected, 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 A-F-F-E-C-T-E-D, and second spelling E-F-F-E-C-T-E-D. Pronunciations same, but meaning and spellings are different. Next, exceed, A-C-C-E-D-E, exceed, exceed. Air, air. Affect, affect. Exceed, ant, ant. Ads, oral, oral, oral. Means meanings are different, but pronunciations are same. Alter, on, accept, each. Next, addition, arc, acts, blue, auger, bite, braid, bathes, beer, bridal, 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 and BRIDLE, bridal. In English language, so meaning are different, spellings are different, but pronunciations will be same. Next, ball, buy, BUY, buy meaning of different, and buy meaning of different. So meanings are different, but pronunciation same. Next, bow, board, bridge, bitch, break, 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 and BRAKE, break, brick, band, 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 BANNED, band. Pronunciations are same. Next, butch, BUT, butch, and BUTT, butch. Next, ball, 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 and BAWL, ball. BELL, bell, and BELLE, bell. Yeah, in these examples, pronunciations are same, but spellings and meanings are different. Next, able, yes, here is, this is hew, hoe, hose, inside, ladder, 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 and LATTR, ladder. Lace, LAYS, lace, and LAZE, lace, LAYS, lace, and LAZE, lace. Next example, lead, 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 and LED, lead. Next, lean, 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 and LIEN, lean. Meanings are different. Okay, these leans are meanings different, and these leans are meaning different, but pronunciation same. Next, axle, lee, mold, MOAN, mold, and MOWN, mode, 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 and MOWED, mode. Next, LAIN, lane, and next LANE, lane. Meanings are different, but pronunciation same. Turn, 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 and TERN, turn. TERN, turn. USE, use, and EWES, use. Next, vase, W-A-Y-S, ways, and W-E-I-G-S, where's. We. W-E-V and W-E-V. So, pronunciations are same. Pronunciations are same, but meanings and spellings are different in homophones. So, means homophones are words that are pronounced the same. But have different meanings and spellings. Some common examples we learn: to, there, we, here, see, floor, bear, break, peace, plain, principle, right, road, roll, sight, sun, known, male, flower, flare, deer, sail, break, bear. So, many homophones in the English language. Understanding homophones can help improve writing and communication skills. Okay, now we learn this pronounce the same but the different meanings and spelling. Homophones are words that are pronounced the same but have different meanings and spellings. Okay, next examples. Yes, climb, C-L-I-N-E, climb, and C-L-I-N-E, climb. Next is corpse, C-O-R-P-S, corpse, and C-O-R-E, corpse. Next, coy, C-O-Y, coy, and K-O-Y, coy. Next, C-O-U-P, coop, and C-O-O, coop. Leech, L-E-E-C-H, leech, and L-E-A-C-H, leech. Moods, mass. Next, ring and ring, W-R-I-N-G, ring, and R-I-N-G, ring. Pronunciations will same, pronouns are same, but meaning and spellings are different in homophones. Okay, I hope you will understand it, and thank you.